740 new positive cases were reported in Goa on 12 September 2020. According to Health Bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on 12 September, 511 people recovered. Total confirmed cases in the states are 24,185. Total active cases in the state stands at 5,323. Total recovered cases stands at 18,576. Total 286 deaths are reported till 12 September 2020. 51 years male from Mandrem, 65 years male from Sada Vasco, 68 years female from Kurka Bambolem, 63 years male from Chikalem and 72 years male from Borda, all with comorbid conditions, admitted at Goa Medical College and Hospital, expired on 11 September 2020. 28 years female from Bastara, 70 years male from Tamil Nadu and 82 years male from Betim, admitted at Goa Medical College and Hospital with comorbid conditions, expired on 12 September. 84 years male from Pororim and 42 years female from Narua Tiswadi, admitted at Goa Medical College and Hospital, expired on 11 September. Out of 2,963 samples tested, 1,812 are negative, 740 are positive, 411 reports awaited. At present, people quarantined in various residences hotels are 40 as per media bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on 12 September. Breakup of total 5,323 active positive cases are as follows. North Goa Community Health Center, CSC Picholem 235, CSC Sakre 312, CSC Pernam 233, CSC Valpai 197, Urban Health Center, USC Mapsa 186, USC Panji 286, Primary Health Center, PSC Aldona 135, PSC Petki 115, PSC Kandolem 165, PSC Kansarvarnam 113, PSC Korwae 125, PSC Kolem 143, PSC Chimpel 188, PSC Sholem 144, PSC Pororim 311, PSC Maim 93, Travelers by road flight train 6. South Goa Community Health Center, CSC Kurchorim 81, CSC Kankona 91, Urban Health Center, USC Margao 430, USC Vasco 292, Primary Health Center, PSC Bali 53, PSC Kansaulem 130, PSC Chinchenem 41, PSC Kortalem 172, PSC Kurtorim 73, PSC Lutolem 87, PSC Marsaim 94, PSC Kapam 108, PSC Sangam 85, PSC Chiroda 56, PSC Darbandara 95, PSC Ponda 371, PSC Navilem 77. Bed capacity in COVID care center as on 12 September are as follows. District North, total capacity 545, current vacancy 145. District South, total capacity 1006, current vacancy 485. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.